Hello. Okay, welcome to your third piano lesson for a 4-year-old. So far, we learned this finger plays Dave the Dragon on the note D, and your thumb plays Cade the Creature on the note C. We've had songs with just Dave and just Cade, and in this lesson, we're going to have songs that have both Dave and Cade. So we'll get started. All right, the first song is Let's Be Friends. See, it shows right here where they are on the piano. We put this little cap on the top so it looks like Dave's Cade. There's Dave and there's Cade for D and C. These are the fingers we use, and we say the character's name out loud while we play. So we'll play Cade, 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 Dave, 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 and so on. Notice this song has 4 repetitions of each note. Okay, let's go to our next song, Cade's Birthday Party. Now we've got just 2 repetitions, so we're going to be moving between the fingers a little bit faster. Cade, Cade, Dave, Dave, Cade, Cade, Dave, Dave. All right, and then it's 4 times each, so it's something we're familiar with. All right, playing party games. Look at, they are playing Pin the Tail on the Donkey, but it's not a donkey, it's a dragon. And it's Dave. They're playing Pin the Tail on Dave. Again, we've got 2 Cades, 2 Daves, 2 Cades, 2 Daves. One more repetition of 2 Cades, 2 Daves, and then the 4 Cades to finish up the song. All right, the next one in the book, actually, there was a mistake on my PDF, but in the actual book, it's correct. Okay, here is the actual book. It's the Color Me Musical Adagio Piano Book 1, and this green circle means it's a piano book. Theory will be yellow, and it tells you it's level 1. So these are all available on Amazon if you want one. All right, here was Cade's Birthday Party and playing party games, but the next one is called Party Hats. And let's see, get that squared. See how it goes? Cade, Dave, Cade, Dave, Cade, Dave, Dave, and then a rest. So it includes rests, and you're alternating every note with Cade and Dave, and Cade and Dave. If you wanted to, you could pause the video. Hopefully you can see the music there. So to practice those, practice them at least 3 times in a row. And maybe try finding a Cade and Dave up higher on the piano and down lower. Let me know how that goes, and I will see you on the next one.